Hi everyone, I'm Billy.
And I'm Sabrina.
And we're here at the alcoholdelivery.com's world headquarters in Southern Florida. And we just got our 1 hour alcoholdelivery.com order. So today we're going to be making a screwdriver. So let's get started. You're going to need a tall glass with ice. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of Perfect Vodka. 1.5. There you go.
Sometimes we use the measure, but sometimes we don't. So in my
It's
case, we're just gonna not use it.
A little bit of orange juice. Whoop! Look at us. And I didn't even pre-pour that. There you go.
I'm the one that's pre-pouring here,
Exactly.
but you know. All right.
Give it a little stir. Here goes nothing. Cheers. It's good. Could use a little more OJ, but you know, it's good.
It's perfect.
All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Be sure to go to alcoholdelivery.com to place your order today.